Welcome everyone. You are watching Code with Hafiz. So, in today's session, we are going to cover what is validation in Django Rest Framework. So, if you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Let's dive into today's session. So, Django provides built-in methods to validate form data automatically. Django forms submit only if it contains CSRF tokens. It uses a clean and easy approach to validate data. The is underscore valid method is used to perform validation for each field of the form. It is defined in Django form class. So in Django, we have Django provides built-in methods. Basically Django जो है वो हमें provide करता है built-in methods जो validation जो फॉर्म हम सबमिट करते हैं उसको वैलिडेट करते हैं फॉर्म को ऑटोमेटिकली। तो Django जो है वो क्या यूज़ करते हैं CSRF टोकन इसके लिए फॉर्म वैलिडेशन के लिए। तो लेट्स कंटिन्यू। फॉर फॉर्म वैलिडेशन वी हैव थ्री types: field level validation, object level validation, and validators in Django REST framework. So let's see one by one each of them. So the first is field level validation. We can specify custom field level validation by adding validate underscore field name methods to your serializer subclass. These are similar to the clean field name methods or Django forms. Validate underscore field name methods should return the validated value or raise a serializer dot validation error. The sentence def validate underscore field name and self and value. Example you will see in the next slide. Def validate underscore role self value, where value is the field value that requires validation. Let's see the example slide. As you see in this given example, from rest underscore framework import serializer, and we have a serializer class student serializer and serializer. We have a three field name, role, and city, and then we define a method validate underscore role self value if value is greater than or equal to 200. If the roll number is greater than or equal to 200, rise serializer.validation error seed full. If let's assume we have a class of student with 200 seats. In one class we have 200 seats, not more than 200. So if the student comes with 201 or 202, that time this validate role will execute if the student ID is greater than, if student roll number is greater than or equal to 200, that time this validation error will be rise and return value. If this condition will be true, that time this error will be rise. If not, then this method will return just the value. Now in your mind, the question arises how this method will be invoked. Let's understand this. As you see, this validate underscore role method is automatically invoked when is underscore valid method is called. Whenever is underscore valid method will be called, this method automatically invoked. Let's understand with the help of